Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the very cool Matrix-like Shargeek Retro 67 watt GaN fast charger. So this can handle powering up your phone, your tablet, and your laptop. So it has 3 ports on top, so you can do a maximum of 67 watts right there. These are all USB Type-C ports. And here's some charging details, which will be in the description of the product. Has like a fake on button right there. This is like an old retro Mac. And then you have the prongs like that. And now we're going to show it being plugged in right here. And like I said, it's got a matrix style screen. So you have the matrix lines coming down. And then you have the 3 ports accessible right here on the charger. And it's got a big capacitor, so when you unplug it, it's actually still going a little bit. That's pretty cool. The prongs fold in, and some additional details about this are right here. And we'll have that in the description. But you can get this from Shargeek. It is the Matrix-like Retro Mac 67 watt GaN fast charger with a helpful 3 ports that can power up your smartphone, your tablet, iPad Pro, Surface, and MacBook Pro as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.